Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make something basic but tasty, that is Paneer Bhurji. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for Paneer Bhurji are tomato puree, tomatoes, capsicums, malai, sugar, turmeric powder, garam masala, Dhana Jeera powder, chili powder, paneer, green chilies, salt, cumin seeds and ghee. First we'll take 1.5 tablespoon ghee. In that we'll add half tablespoon chopped green chilies, finely chopped capsicums, 2 tablespoons finely chopped tomatoes. I've taken 1 tomato and just made a puree out of it. ¼ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half tablespoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon Dhana Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste. Then we'll add 1.5 tablespoon malai and then paneer. Just squeeze it lightly and add it. You all can check out paneer recipe by clicking the I button. You all can garnish it with coriander, but as this is Chaumasa special recipe, we are not going to add coriander. I have forgotten to add Jeera, so just before adding green chilies, we'll add Jeera and then we'll add the green chilies. Our Paneer Bhurji is ready. Our Paneer Bhurji is ready. For more such Chaumasa special recipe, head towards the end card till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.